Medyo mababa pa.
Start tayo, white yan lang.
Yung music ko yan.
Loren, tapak, no? Pasisiyan. Tapos, Johan. And Jessica. Okay, go. Lock. Chariot. Mune. Should be. Do foundation form number 1 with power. Si Jack. Bro. Move. This time, do foundation form number 2. With power. Hit high. See, jump. Move.
It's okay.
Bro. Chariot. Loren. And Jessica. Oh, Chariot, June. Oh, sit down. No. Ian and Johan, one more time. Adjust ka dito sa red. Should be like a foundation number 2. Sit up. Bro. Go, serious. Une. Up. Go. Go. Face to face. Serious. Yan. Closer. Jessica. Lapit, lapit. Distance. Go. Face to elbow. Yan. Yan. Face to elbow. Okay, Loren and Johan, you attack. Ian and Jessica, you defend. Okay, do self-defense number 1, Jessica and Ian. Xianjin, ready? Go, shout. Sing, jump. Bro, go back. Take distance. Do self-defense number 3. B. The jumps. Bro. Take distance. Do self-defense number 5. Go. B. The jumps. Okay, Chariot, stay where you are. Stay there. Dito. Jessica, ulo ka dito. Yan, tapat doon. Check distance. Johan and Loren, do self-defense number 2. Attacker, shout. Si Jack. Bro. Take distance. Do self-defense number 4. Attacker, shout. Yeah. Bro. Take distance. Do self-defense number 5. Attacker, shout. Shout. Salute. Amen. Go back to your line. Facing here. Salute. Prepare for kicking exercise. Salute. Prepare for kicking exercise, ha? Right foot, step backward and shout. Go. Ready. First kick. Every time you kick, you shout. Speed and power. Stretch kick. Ready. 1, 2. Each foot. 1. Here. 2. Each foot. In out kick. 1, 2. Each foot. Here. And 1, 2. Each foot. Out in kick. 1. Here. 2. Foot. Ready. Face kick yan, ha? So then. And 1, 2. Change foot. Front kick. And 1, 2. Change foot. 1, 2. Change foot. Next. 45 kick. And 1. Body. Stop up target. 2. Change foot. 1, 2. Change foot. Next, side kick. Straight of the foot. Ready? 1. Body, ha? Kick. Body kick. Ready? Strong up level. Ready? 2. Change foot. Ready? 1. Here. 2. Ayun. Okay, this time. One leg kicking combination. Okay? Tapos, last kick lang yung may shout. Which is side kick only. Okay? Ready? Right foot step back. Show! Okay? Speed as you can, ha? Speed as you can. Okay? Try to follow my command. Ready? Stretch kick. Okay. Last kick lang yung may shout. Ready? Stretch kick. Stretch kick. In, out. In, out. Out, in. Out, in. Front kick. Front kick. 45. 45. In, out. In, out. In, out. Out, in. Out, in. 45. 45. Front kick. Front kick. 45. 45. Side kick. Shot. Change foot. Your left. Ready. Stretch kick. Stretch kick. In, out. In, out. Out, in. Out, in. Front kick. Front kick. 45. 45. In, out. In, out. Front kick. Front kick. 45. 45. Side kick. Shout. Good. Turn your back. Put your uniform. Go. Good. Moving forward, ha? Moving forward. Start with your left foot. Okay? Prepare for low block. Left low block. Left foot step forward. 1 count. And then 1 step and then block. Go. 1. Right low block. 2. Left high block. 1. Right high block. 2. Prepare your left low block. Turn with your left foot. Ready? 1. One. Middle punch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We shout. Chinbi. Salyut. Go. Forward. Ito kayo, Han. Yes, ka. Jessica and Johan. Start tayo. Jessica. Name at least three lang. White belt basic topics. Name. Seryoso.
Double arms, middle block, low block, and high block. Sir!
Jessica. Name at least three. White belt basic topics.
Forward stance.
One na.
Horseback riding stance. Sir!
Writing style. Writing style.
Riding stance.
Back. Xianjin and Lauren. Go.
Forward.
Forward. Ayun. When you are in chariot position, ayun lang forward. Yan na, no? Sino mo una? Si Lauren o si Xianjin? Sige, Xianjin. Sabi mo. Xianjin, you know like foundation number 1. Alam mo, kabisado mo siya. Hindi mo kabisado yung foundation number 1. Kabisado. Ikaw, kabisado mo foundation number 2. Okay. Foundation number 1. How many low block in foundation number 1? You want to count? Go. Okay. In foundation number 2. How many front feet?
Low block.
How many? Louder, say it loud. Dance.
4, sir.
4. You want to count? Sige, you count. Yan.
1, 2, 3.
Ilan? How many low block? Wala.
6, sir.
Count again.
How many low block? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
6. Continue. Tuloy. Come. Ika. Ilan? 8. Okay. Ganun. Prepare for breaking mamaya. Up. Yes. White belt. Up. Ganun. So prepare for breaking mamaya. You can practice doon mamaya. Okay? Ganun. White belt. Tune. Okay.